This is a video introducing the key features of DC house battery charger 12V 10A. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of DC house battery charger 12V 10A. Car battery charger and maintainer. Works with both 12V lead-acid and lithium iron phosphate batteries, including starting, marine, and deep cycle batteries. It is the ideal battery charger for cars, lawn mowers, motorcycles, trucks, and more, providing reliable charging and maintenance. Smart Trickle charger safely maintains the battery with low current trickle charging and automatically stops once fully charged to prevent overcharging. Perfect for long-term idle vehicles, such as cars and motorcycles, to avoid battery drain. Winter battery maintenance. Charges safely and efficiently even below 14 degrees Fahrenheit. With an intelligent pre-charging mode that uses reduced current to protect batteries, it's the ideal solution for winter maintenance of cars, lawn mowers, and other equipment. 0V activation for reviving dead batteries. Capable of awakening deeply discharged lithium iron phosphate batteries, restoring them to normal voltage levels for stable power output. Pulse repair technology repairs damaged, stratified, and sulfated lead-acid batteries within 2 hours, then automatically switches to charging mode, effectively restoring battery capacity and extending service life. Plug and play with 3 connectors. Equipped with copper lug terminals, alligator clips, and an SAE connector. Features a 2-in-1 DC cable design for easy connection without frequent wiring, just plug and play. Real-time LCD charging status display. The interface clearly shows real-time charging voltage, current, battery percentage, and status alerts all at a glance. No complex interpretation needed, making battery management simpler and smarter for everyday users. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.